Hi, my name is Valeria, and this is the final versions for speaking assignment. And I'm going to talk about cell therapy. I'm studying biotechnology engineering, and I chose this topic because it is something that interested me a lot, and I think it is a very important topic because we can now an alternative for more treatments. And first of all, one of the applications of cell therapy is the treatment of cancer. And for example, we have cells called T cells, which are a type of white blood cells that are part of the immune system and whose function is to identify and kill infected cells. That is why this type of therapy is used for the cells to fight cancer by altering them in the laboratories so that they can find and destroy cancer cells. Secondly, this is a stem cell therapy. This type of therapy is known as regenerated medicine and promotes the repair of tissues affected by disease or injury. For example, if a person has a heart disease, the cells could be injected into the heart muscle and contribute to repair the damaged muscle. Or similarly, this therapy is used to repair a skin injury to restore damaged skin. And finally, the other application or another benefit of cell therapy is ability to activate a part of the immune system, which is responsible for terminating inflammation, thus making it possible to stop the damage that this autoimmune system, autoimmune disease causing the brain, such as multiple sclerosis. And in conclusion, I think it is important to know this topic, to know the alternatives that exist to treat medical problems. And perhaps there is still more research and publicize this type of treatment, but in the future, the progress it will have will be more effective and may have more applications. And that's all for my assignment.